Hi everyone, today I'll present my Pipeline Nostr project, a Nostr-native ticket automation system for be-BOP events. I built 4 interconnected workflows that cover the full event lifecycle, from ticket purchase to on-site check-in, using only declarative YAML and 0 external APIs. Let me walk you through it. be-BOP already offers Nostr integration with ZAP processing and event ticketing, but there are built-in features with fixed behavior. If an organizer wants custom confirmation flows, DM-based queries, or check-in tracking that need to modify source code, my solution uses Pipeline Nostr as a declarative automation layer. Organizers define their own workflow in YAML, composing built-in handlers into custom pipelines. The key benefits are 0 infrastructure costs, privacy through encrypted DMs, full data sovereignty, and coverage of the complete event lifecycle. I built 4 workflows. Workflow 1 handles ticket purchases. When a ZAP matching a ticket price arrives, it records the purchase, sends a DM receipt to the buyer, and notifies the organizer. Workflow 2 provides a self-service query interface. Buyers send /ticket to check their status, and organizers send /ticket sales for live statistics. Workflow 3 chains from Workflow 1 through an incomplete hook, delivering enriched sales reports and milestone notifications when tickets hit certain counts. Workflow 4 is the check-in system. Attendees send /check-in on event day. It verifies their ticket across namespaces and prevents duplicate check-ins. Here's the system architecture. On the left, 3 types of inputs. Nostr ZAP receives trigger workflow 1, DM/ticket commands trigger workflow 2, and DM/check-in commands trigger workflow 4. Workflow 1 connects to Workflow 3 through an incomplete hook. All workflows share a central workflow DB with 2 namespaces, tickets and check-ins. On the right, all outputs go through the Nostr DM handler as encrypted direct messages. The entire system uses only 2 handlers, Nostr DM and Workflow DB. Here's Pipeline Nostr running on my side. You can see it successfully connected to 2 Nostr relays. The system loaded all 4 workflows, and the handler list confirms both Nostr DM and Workflow DB are active. The bot is now listening for incoming events. Let me show Workflow 2 in action. On the left, I send /ticket help to the bot via demos. The bot correctly replied with all 3 available commands. In the middle, I sent /ticket to check my ticket status. The bot responded with no ticket found and included the event details with purchase instructions. On the right, I sent /ticket sales. The bot returned a formatted sales report showing tickets sold and total revenue. All 3 commands worked correctly through a single workflow using regex-based command routing. This confirms that DM listening, workflow matching, and Workflow DB read operations are all functioning properly. Now for Workflow 4, on the left, I sent /check-in stats and received the attendance analytics report, showing checked-in count, tickets sold, and a tip about calculating attendance rate. On the right, I've highlighted the 3 key innovations of Workflow 4. First, cross-namespace validation. Workflow 4 reads from the ticket's namespace written by Workflow 1 and writes to its own check-in's namespace. Second, duplicate detection using the Workflow DB check operator with not exists, which prevents the same person from checking in twice. Third, real-time attendance analytics accessible to the organizer via a simple DM command. This cross-namespace verification pattern is not demonstrated in any of the repo's existing examples. To highlight the technical choices, first, shared database with dual namespaces provides clean separation while enabling cross-workflow reads. Second, hook-based cascading from workflow 1 to workflow 3 ensures the summary only fires after successful purchases. Third, regex command routing lets a single workflow handle multiple subcommands through named capture groups. And fourth, duplicate detection using the workflow.db check operator enforces business rules purely in YAML. No custom TypeScript needed. To summarize, 4 workflows, 2 handlers covering the full event lifecycle from purchase to check-in. The complete code and documentation are available in my fork. Thank you for watching.